Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Marvel's Spider-Man on the PS4. So I got this for Christmas. I haven't actually played it yet or anything, so really looking forward to playing this. There's the side, and there's the back. It says "Be Greater." When a new villain threatens New York City, Peter Parker and Spider-Man's worlds collide. To save the city that he loves, he must rise up and be greater. So it's one player, 45 gig minimum, DualShock 4 vibration, and PS4 Pro enhanced. So yeah, there's some pictures. But yeah, I really can't wait to play this. So inside she's got a control, like a list of controls, and a disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Marvel's Spider-Man on the PS4, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.